Matapos ang naganap na shooting kahapon, nila Kim at Mr. Paulo Avellino, ay nagsisilabas naman ngayon, ang mga behind-the-scene ganap at ang naging kaswitan nila Kim at Paulo. Nahulikam din ang pagpunas ni Kim sa muka ni Mr. Paulo Avellino na lubos naman na ikinatuwa ng kanilang mga fans, bagamat pasilip lang ito sa mga nagaganap sa shooting ay talagang nakapagpa-excite naman na mapanood ang kanilang upcoming serye. Samantala ibinahagi naman ni Kim, ang appreciation post nito para sa kanyang matalik na kaibigang si Bella. To my dearest Momsy Belly, my sister from another father, my twin from another mother, Momsy, thank you for making this trip extra memorable, thank you for just being there for me, like there, no judgment, no questions, no dramas, you just let me be me. 5 days felt like 1 month with you. Medyo pagod lang tayo everyday bilang Astorian twin, we always want to do everything all at once kaya din siguro tayo magkasundo in so many ways and kaya tayo bagsak and tulog na tulog pag uwi, but the next morning, chikahan tayo ng masayang day. This trip is super random aside syempre sa special day ng Momsy ang J natin, ang dami nangyari, but to sum up everything, I had the best time ever, lahat ng emotions avail natin. Literally and figuratively, what a way to end the year, thank you Momsy. I am forever grateful for this kind of friendship, thank you, always here for you two moms.